Yay! Parts I ordered came in. Here at the G5 again. Ordered in some memory, which is right here. This came with it. I don't know. I guess this is the person I ordered it from, but here, I'll show you that. And that's their number without the flash in the middle of it. Currently, my G5 has 2 gigs of RAM and is still running Tiger. I'm waiting on the new hard drive to come in, and then I'll do that. But let's shut this down and put some memory in it. Now, I believe most of us have seen a memory install before, but still gonna do it, record it anyway. But let me get this memory open. Just give me 1 second. Alright. Now these memory chips all look nice and clean. They all seem to be matching. That's a good thing. Let's get the side off of this. I think most of us have seen a memory install, but I know until this machine I've never seen a single processor G5. So let me pop this thing apart. This thing looks very empty as compared to a dual processor unit, and I just love it. And you can tell that this board could have at one point had 8 memory slots instead of 4. I think, yeah, that's the memory that he had in it. I don't know how Mac is as far as memory, but he had one in the top and then one in the very bottom. Not really sure how you're supposed to do it in the Mac. And I put unmatched memory in it, which probably wasn't a good thing. I don't think it was really a bad thing. Hey, I never said I'm professional, right? So let's get these bad boys in here. These are very, very stiff slots. And since they all match, I'm not really worried about which chip goes where. Just that it goes in. Sorry, I kicked a memory stick underneath the package. Now I was questioning whether or not it had Wi-Fi, but now I clearly see that it does not. So, might as well put this thing back together. Put it back together right might help. Now, when you... maybe somebody can answer this for me. Is there some sort of switch under one of these? Because the second you take this out, I believe it would be this one here, the fans just go insane. I'm probably going to get yelled at by some people because I did not unplug it even to do this. Excuse me. Alright, we got a Mac screen. I also need the mounting screws for the hard drive, because I don't have those either. Wow, this is definitely a lot faster, because OS X took a while to load last time. But yeah, she's showing 4 gigs. It's definitely a lot snappier. Because I definitely like the way that Apple handles their memory. And Rotella wants to watch too. Oh yeah, I don't have my Ethernet cord plugged into it. Because I know I sound like a salesman if you watch my videos, but behind here I have my Netgear wireless repeater. Because my router's in the front, in the living room. But yeah, well no. When to quit Safari, I hit the wrong thing. I don't have any software in here because, like I said, as soon as I get a new hard drive, I'm putting putting Leopard on it. But yeah, everything seems to work fine on this machine. When I bought it, you know, he didn't say anything until, you know, I went to pick it up. But he said, yeah, I wanted to do something with it, but I couldn't really figure out how to use it, and couldn't get it to work. So, but all in all, it's in good shape. I mean, the board, I need to dust it out. I definitely need to dust it out. Case has seen better days, but hey, it works. So, thank you for letting me waste almost 7 minutes of your time, and have a great day.